Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Engineering Guru 29. In this video, I will cover working of screw pump. Screw pump is one type of positive displacement pump and it is rotary type pump. Let's see one by one. This is the schematic diagram of screw pump. Here you can see that this is the helical 1 and 2. This is the inlet and here this is outlet. This is called driven shaft. This is called driving shaft and this is cylindrical casing. It is a positive displacement pump with rotary motion. It consists of two mating helical grooves, rotor with very small clearance. These two gears are housed in cylindrical casing with inlet and outlet part. This is helical groove rotor 1 and this is helical groove rotor 2. This is cylindrical casing, this is inlet and this is outlet. The screw 2 is driving rotor driven by electric motor while screw 1 is driven rotor. Screw 2, this is screw 2, this is driving rotor and here motor is attached. With the help of motor, this screw 2 is rotate this meshing gear. So when this screw 2 is rotated, this is driven shaft. So with respect, it is also rotate in opposite direction. Two rotors rotate in opposite direction. So if this rotate in clockwise, with respect, this screw 1 is rotated in anti-clockwise.
First open YouTube and write down Engineering Guru 2020. Search this is Engineering Guru YouTube channel. Open this and subscribe this for more update. Various playlists available here. You can see this is for various subject. This is for velocity diagram, uniform velocity, for cam profiles, synthetic linkages, and more playlists are here.
As the rotor rotates, liquids is drawn through inlet port to fill the space between the two screws, and liquid is trapped between the two rotor space. This liquid is then displaced axially at outlet. Now understand. So as two rotor rotates, the liquid is drawn through inlet port, means here. Whenever this rotor rotates, the liquid is enter in this inlet, fill the space between two screws, and liquid is trapped between two rotor space, means here. And this liquid is then displaced axially outlet, like this. Means this is inlet, between two space, liquid is trapped, and outlet here, the delivery pipe, or we can say outlet. Understand, in this we can see that this is the two rotor rotate with respect to each other. This is the inlet and this is the outlet. So water is enter, or we can say liquid is enter between the two space, and this is the out enter and this is the out. So this is the basic working principle, or we can say working and construction of screw pump. In university exam, the question may ask, with the neat sketch, explain construction and working of screw pump. If you find my video very helpful, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, join us on FB page, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, Engineering Guru 2020. If you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay on this channel. More video will come, the playlist pump. Thank you.